What's good with y'all, man? Good afternoon, people. You know who it is if you're watching this vid. It's your boy Yock City 360, man. But cold start, about 3 degrees here in Indiana. About 2:50 in the afternoon, about 2:48. Ain't got no gas in the Chevy. Ain't started in a couple days. Just got the window down because spilled a little gas in there when I went and got some in the gas can. Ain't started the Chevy a couple days. Hopefully the battery's still strong on me. Cause shit, I know when I try to start the Acadia, that mug ain't really ain't turn over too fast. See how much gas we got in the brown box today. Woo! Mug ain't focusing, but it looked like I got more than what I thought I did. You know, the normal person would have hit the gas by now, but if y'all been too dead long enough, y'all know I'd rather not hit the gas, but I might have to today. I don't want to kill my battery. If you know me, you know me in this jumpsuit. I ain't get my leg up there without y'all seeing me do a whole bunch of movement, so. Well, I think I'm gonna hit this gas today, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna hit it 2 times. Wait. Well. I know this ain't the best video, but I'm kind of rushing, but I head to work for a couple hours. Seen this post on either Instagram or Facebook. It said, man, I had too much shit to do or something like that. I'm gonna start my New Year's in February. So I'm gonna kick the habit of these squares finally. And blacks, only tobacco. I'm gonna smoke is when I twist them swishers up. Yep. We had a Chevy running, so I'll finish this square and get back with y'all when I'm about to pour this gas in the bag. I need a new one of these too. I guess I'll get to work. Oh, a little late. Look at all this ice. Everything on the ground, everything ice. Well, my hood will pop. Hopefully it ain't froze. It might just froze. Even the snow damn near got ice under it. But I need a new one of these. That's the main reason I ain't been driving it. I mean, I ain't had no gas in it really neither, but it's one of the main reasons I ain't been driving it. I'm gonna get me a new one of them probably this weekend and make it shake from there. See how much cooling I got. Oh. Man, if y'all watching too, people say the return is over on this side for the 5/16, the fuel line on the Box Chevy is on the driver's side. They say it's one of them lines down there on the right side of the steering shaft. I'm pretty sure, but if that's the case, then what are both of these lines for? And I need to move when I pull this engine to change my oil pan and stuff. I'm gonna reroute my positive wire because I really don't want it running on the frame like it's running right now. But so on the fuel line, the fuel hoses, you see this one's moving. On the stock fuel pump, it got two lines, one on each side of this. Y'all see them? One on the left, one on the right. Is that right one not is the right one on here not a return line? Like, is that, I mean, can I use that as my return line? I mean, I'm gonna, when I get under the trunk again, or when I get under the yellow box again, I'm on, I mean, check the driver's side one. I don't see what it is. It might run to this hose right here. But I'm gonna check and see where it runs. My fault. On my yellow box, since I'll be under that and shit. And anyways, I don't know. I was just seeing if that's a return on the passenger side, why don't I just use that one instead of having them run on opposite sides of the engine? But you know, I mean, I ain't got that far yet, so I guess once I get that far, I'll know. I don't know, y'all got Box Chevys. I got parts for sale. I got see mine got this black shit on there, I don't know, but I got 3 windshield chromes that's all chrome. It ain't got this black little shit. I got one rear windshield, or one rear window trim for a bald head. Shit. I got interior. I got interior. I got an ashtray. Shoot. Dash bezel. Well, dash bezel. I got dash bezel for 86 through 90, and I got one for 77 to 79 Impala, I'm pretty sure. Front fender bumper fillers on the sides for a 78 Impala coupe. I got parts though, but y'all need some parts here. I mean, just holler at me. I'll look out. But if I throw this gas on in this Chevy, ain't shit but $10 in this little can, but it's enough to get me to the gas station or whatnot. You know what I mean? When I do drive it this weekend to go, or when I do drive it this weekend after I put on that new little valve or whatever that's leaking. I might, if the weather's like it's the weather is gonna be what it says it's gonna be this weekend, I might throw on these rear bumper fillers and front bumper filler. I got them both for like together. The front come as a one piece. It's the sides and the center, and the rear come as just the sides. And I got them for less than $100, free shipping. My hand cold as hell. off eBay. Gonna see how they work. I got some OG ones, but they a little brittle and whatnot, so I'm gonna see what I can do with them. But yeah, man, I'm gonna throw this gas in here and whatnot. All right, y'all, got this gas up in here finally. Still need to get that tip brought out some to be even. I spilled some water on here. I don't like to have gas all on my stuff, so I spilled some gas in there, so I spilled a little water on there. Clear it off. Probably hit this gas a couple times. Hit this gas a couple times and then head to the gig. You know? That's crazy, yo. That's forming ice already. Yeah, I've seen my license plate, but I don't know. Fuck it. Hopefully y'all don't try to do no bullshit. Hit this gas a couple times real quick. Head to work. Ugh. That definitely ain't the right time.